Combo slanted and pointed tip is designed for novice expert precision users. Use slice 10450 slanted tweezers for beginners, without a pointed tip. Perfectly aligned, hand-filed precision tips. Patented wide grip for added control and comfort. Curved head with rounded edge won't obstruct your view. Designed by famous architect Michael Graves, after 2 years of testing for the perfect tweezer design. Combination of pointed tip with slanted flat edge. Allows for maximum versatility and movement. Great for detailed eyebrow design work and removing splinters. Stainless steel, hand-filed for the sharpest possible edge. Interior ridges help grab even the shortest hairs. Top reviews from the United States. Impressive. There was bit of a learning curve in how to use this, given how surprisingly big it is in person. Once I got over that, it was amazing. The angle is very sharp, the space around my eyes are pretty round, so it took some getting used to. It grabs hairs very well. These may be the most favorite tweezers I've ever had so far, but I've only used it for a few days, so I can't say for 100% absolute certain.